Hello and welcome to Bluehost Education. My name is Tanisha Davis and I will be helping you with WordPress today. So in today's video we are going to go over installing WordPress and I'm going to walk you through doing a new WordPress installation. Through this video we are going to cover how to install WordPress by assigning it to a new domain name, creating a username and password, as well as obtaining a direct link to our new WordPress install, so that way we can log directly into WordPress and not have to go through the control panel each time. In order to prepare for this, you'll need to log into your control panel. And with that said, let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is log into our control panel. So from bluehost.com, go ahead and find the login button and log into your new account. Once we log in, from the main cPanel, we need to scroll down to Site Builders and find WordPress. Once we have it, go ahead and click it, and it's going to open up a new window and connect you to Mojo Marketplace. Think of Mojo as kind of like the App Store for hosting, where you can find different templates, themes, plugins, and we'll go over all of those in future videos. Once we're here, go ahead and click Install next to the WordPress icon. We'll then have the opportunity to pick which domain name we want to install the WordPress to. So it says select which domain you would like to install to, and it will have a drop-down. This drop-down will contain all the domain names that are on your control panel. And for this video, I am going to select the testing subdomain, which I have already created, and click Check Domain. By clicking Check Domain, this checks and makes sure that something doesn't already exist. And in this case, it does not, so it brings me to the next step. This is optional. I personally like to see the advanced options so I can pick what my admin username is and my admin password. This username can only be changed once at the beginning, so I'm just going to change it to my first and last name. And the password I'm going to update to something that I can remember. Alright, once we have that, I'm going to go ahead and click that I read the terms and conditions and install now. Once we've clicked install, it'll tell us that it's loading, and it will also expand a top menu bar across the top, which will have a green meter that will fill once it's finished. You can also expand to view the process. So right now it's preparing to install the script, and it will tell you what it's currently working on. And when the menu bar is completely full, we can then view the credentials. Beautiful. So by clicking this, it'll give us all of our new account information. By default, this information will also be emailed to you. So first we're going to go ahead and log into our account. By clicking the admin URL, it's going to take us to the sign-in page. You can notice that it's the same domain name and it has a /wp-admin, WP standing for WordPress. So whenever you need to log in, you can type in your URL, do a /wp-admin, and log directly into your WordPress without having to go to your control panel. This will take me to my new installation. So if I click this and open it in a new tab, I can see my new website is active and live, and it's using the default template that WordPress has automatically assigned. If I click to log in, it will then ask me for my username and password, which I can plug in to get started. And there we are. This is the dashboard, which is the back end of my WordPress. And you can see my WordPress install is functioning and live as of now.